Na my name?
My name is Ismael Kabasan Seba.
How old are you?
4.
What's your mother's name?
Ismael Kabasan Seba.
What's your father's name?
Ismael Mane Seba.
What's your sister's name?
Jelen Kabasan Seba.
How old is Geraldine?
4.
3.
G.
What is the name of your teacher?
Huh?
What is the name of your teacher?
This is Pango.
Where are you? Asa ka nag-school?
Ulit ko ba yan?
Sa daycare
Daycare
center.
Center.
Where do you live?
Center.
Center. Where do you live? Na poblasyon.
Uwasan.
Tres.
Chef.
Clarin.
Ayen.
Misamis.
Sales.
Occidental.
Tintal. Witay!
Na hi fans.
Hi friends. Huwag ka na ng vlog. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Na I'm back.
Ang box.
I'm back.
Ang box. Ay, shake, wait. And then, kagat. Shake.
Na you're pretty.
Yeah.
You're ugly.